Yep.
What did they do?
Our trap just went off. Where's Lincoln at?
Lincoln?
Yeah.
He might put his backpack on.
Hold on a sec, guys. Lincoln's here. Let's take him too.
Lincoln!
Okay. Y'all come back over here just for a second. Well, Eli's hooked up.
We got it here clanking, Coco.
Several different ways.
I've got it set
What kind of spurs you got? Yeah. Okay, now, y'all don't run up to it. We're gonna film, so nobody run up there to it.
I want to see that. I want to see this.
All right, this is Tommy with Outside Our Lane, and I've got a bunch of the kids from church.
Wait, you're
And
filming
we sit-
it?
Yeah, I'm filming
on
it.
YouTube? We're
Yeah,
out
film me
to-
too.
We're going out to check a set that Tommy goes to check for us.
On Wednesday nights,
Anything.
we do a class with the boys
That the teachers had to learn how to hunt and set traps.
and set traps, and we tie that to Bible stories and the Bible truths. And the last couple of weeks we've been talking about traps. So I've been teaching them how to set traps, and we've got a live trap set,
Traps on your friends.
and not to set traps on your friends. That's right, you're learning.
How will the animal get out? So
We're fixing to turn it loose.
We're going to see the trap. Oh.
And we got a real pretty cat.
No, the caddy.
No, no.
It might be wild.
Okay, let Clay and Lincoln turn it loose.
Go. Ready? I'll open it. No, you want to do it, okay?
And there he goes.
No, it's kidding. It was my dad.
Yeah, reset it.
It was like brown and white. It didn't see my
Did he-
face up. It didn't see my face up. That was sick.
This is everybody that's here. Is there any sardines left in it?
Yeah.
Are they under? Where they at?
No, right on top.
Scoot it to the back.
Catch like the back. You're trying to catch a cat?
Anything that got in it. We didn't. I'm just going to show you that it worked.
It was most likely to be a cat if you put
We knew it was more likely going to be a cat or a coon.
a cat more likely.
Right.
A more chance of a cat because cats
Just throw it all the way to the back.
fish more than anything.
Just throw it. There you go.
You want to go back inside? Yeah.
All right.
Well, guys, it was just a normal cat. Bye. Adios, amigo.
There's Seth. Y'all seen him yesterday.
Yeah.
All right. That's that.
That's you.